What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Login Jotter subscription for June of 2022. This one's only $8.50 a month for 2 notebooks, or $5 a month for 1 notebook, and that's shipped out the door. Really good value. You can get dot, grid, or blank pages in those notebooks. These are typical kind of pocket notebooks, 3.5 by 5.5. And one of my favorite subscriptions is super cheap for what you're getting, and you get some really cool designs that you can't buy anywhere else. They don't have a regular store. They don't sell these notebooks outside of the subscription. So if you miss a month, the only way to get these is on the secondary market. But again, one of my favorite subscriptions that I look forward to every month. Today I'm opening it up with the Hogue Deka. This is the Subzero version from SMKW. Really cool knife. And let's go ahead and dive in here. So the first one, we have a pretty cool little colorway here. Looks like it's a sailboat, and again, some kind of retro 90s or even 80s colorways. Super cool there. This is the dot grid version for me. And each month you get kind of a standard fare here with your journal information as well as travel log, page prompts. And so these are just writing ideas if you kind of running out of ideas or you don't know what you're using these for, as well as a ruler in inches in the front and in centimeters on the back. This month's design is called Uncle Phil, so Fresh Prince, I guess, is the color scheme here. We hope this month's notebook hits you in the feels like only a Fresh Prince can. The bright colors and funky 90s design made us think of Acid Watch, bucket hats, Bel Air, and Uncle Phil. Our Uncle Phil and the iconic 90s character had quite a few things in common. The low, growly voice and the bolsterous, over-the-top reactions. It's the member of the family you didn't want to cross. But in the end, you knew that they were all bark and no bite. When it came down to it, Uncle Phil was there when times got tough. So this month, focus on Uncle Phil in your life. Write down a few memories of the person that had your back, made you watch your step, and was always there when you needed them. Maybe even make and tell a story, and try to be that person for someone else. Log it, jot it down, tag us at LoginJotter and hashtag LoginJotter. Aight? And then a spot for lists and important dates. So these are usually pretty standard. They change a little bit from time to time. And the back is really nice as well. I typically carry these at work in my front pocket. So this section, you kind of flip it upside down. This section is usually the spot that is exposed. And it looks like there's kind of a hand-drawn looking smiley face. I'm sure that's not actually hand-drawn. I'm sure it's printed on there, but hand-drawn looking smiley face in the corner as well. So really cool for the first notebook. And again, this for me is a dots grid, meaning that the other one is going to be a blank. And the other is another kind of similar looking. This one's kind of got like a Rocco's Modern Life feel to it to me. Probably not exactly, but it's going to have the same description in the back, same writing prompts and everything in the front, but we'll have a different name. This one's Jazzy Jeff, so again, sticking with that Fresh Prince theme. Another really cool design, really retro feel. This one also has the smiley face in the corner, and this one has kind of a longer logo, whereas this one had the shorter one. I do prefer this style of logo just because, like I said, it sticks out of my pocket when I'm wearing it in my front pocket of my shirt. Again, I'm usually taking these to the office. I do sometimes use them for personal use as well, in which case they're often in my back pocket because I don't have a front pocket in most of my shirts that I wear on days off or when I'm not going to the office, so this works as well. But I do like these designs just because of that. But either way, 2 really cool ones this month. I really enjoyed the color scheme. I actually probably like the secondary, which I believe is oh, this one's dots also. Oh, they're both dots. Usually I should get 1 dots, 1 blank. So I'm not sure which one's primary and which one's secondary, but I think this might be the secondary one, just based off of the name. Which may be wrong actually, since they're both kind of secondary characters, but Uncle Phil is a bigger character, so it makes me believe it's a primary one. But in any case, I think I like the Jazzy Jeff design a little bit more. It has more of a kind of 90s feel for me, and just speaks to me a little bit more than the sailboat, although both really cool designs, and the colors on this one are excellent. So let me know what you think of this month's Login Jotter subscription down in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.